John Lennon's admiration for Bob Dylan's music is well known. He often remarked on how brilliant the folk figure was. One would assume that would prevent him from drawing comparisons between his work and those of his heroes, but that would be incorrect. At one point, Lennon saw parallels between a song he wrote and a famous Dylan composition. See below for further information on the comparison. How Do You Sleep was the outlet for all of Lennon's animosity at Paul McCartney, his former bandmate. You would think this song is a vicious slam just by looking at the title. Lennon claims that Dylan composed the immortal Like a Rolling Stone when he worked up the nerve to sing about such topics. The song Like a Rolling Stone is a signature Dylan tune. It was a game-changing single that, in the mid-1960s, sent listeners in a new direction. It contains the same enraged attitude as Dylan's hymn, even though Lennon probably didn't intend for his song to be compared directly. Well, it was like Dylan doing Like a Rolling Stone, one of his nasty songs. Lennon said at one point, "To make something, it's necessary to use another person as an object." At the time, I wasn't really angry, but I did write a song about my animosity for Paul. That's how we should put it. Lennon did lay their differences to rest with the release of this song, even though it has long been linked to McCartney and their breakup after the Beatles. The focus should be on him, not Paul, he emphasized. I am truly taking it out on myself. I feel bad about being associated with it, but hey, what's the harm? He was a witness to it. Regardless of what the writer or pundit believes, what counts is our own feelings about these things, not theirs. Both of us are doing okay.